Hi friends, it's Gus! I'm excited to draw with you today. Let's draw a wise man from today's Bible story. First, we're going to draw a triangle in the middle of the paper. Yeah! Now, do a little circle coming out of the triangle here. And another little circle inside and color it in for eye number 1. Nice! Now do another circle on the other side with a little circle inside. Color it in for eye number 2. Yeah! Next, draw one straight line above his eyes. Add a little line here connecting the line to the top of his eye. And add another little line just below, right here. And on the other side, do one more line down to here. Great! Now, draw his ear by making a C shape. Let's make his mustache under his nose. We can do that with 4 long U's. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was fun! Go back to the bottom of his ear and draw a line to his mustache. Then make his beard by drawing a line down from his ear to the bottom middle here. And make another line going up to the other side of his mustache. Great! Now give him a nice smile here. And color it in. Oh, add 2 lines here at the bottom of his beard. That's a great looking face. Okay, now let's go back to the top so we can draw his hat. We're gonna draw a big peanut shape. Add a little button on top too. That looks good. Okay, just add 2 swoosh lines in the middle of his hat like this. Last thing, he needs 2 eyebrows. Draw one skinny rectangle above each eye and color him in. There you go! We did it! Thanks for drawing with me. See you next time!